Mali-maling delivery sa customers? May solusyon dyan. May isang client ako, isang small bakery na nagdi-deliver ng cakes and pastries. Ang problema? Ang daming reklamo na mali yung order. May umorder ng mango cake, strawberry yung dumating. Minsan kulang yung quantity, minsan naman sobra. Kaso pag sobra, syempre hindi naman agad napapansin kasi busy ang lahat eh. Ang dahilan? Orders were being taken through messenger and text tapos manual na ine-encode sa Excel. Walang centralized system kaya madaling nagkakamali lalo na kapag peak season, madaming orders. So, ang ginawa namin, gumamit sila ng Xero na naka-integrate dun sa online ordering system nila. So, every confirmed order, automatic na pumapasok sa accounting at inventory records. Dahil doon, kita agad kung may stock and real-time na nababawas kapag may delivery. May order summary na rin na pwedeng i-print and ibigay sa delivery team so walang guesswork. After 1 month, halos zero na yung wrong deliveries at mas gumaan yung trabaho ng owner kasi mas konti yung reklamo through chats. This is the power of accounting automation and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.